Welcome back to Healthy Exchange. Today's topic is all about urinary incontinence and pelvic health. This is important for men, women, and children, so stay tuned. As always, we will be giving away some amazing prizes during the live session, so make sure to drop your comments below. We'll do our best to answer as many of them as possible. Let's get started. Number 1. Pelvic floor health is not just a women's issue. Men and children also have pelvic floors. Number 2. Anyone with a pelvis can experience pelvic floor dysfunction. Yes, that includes men. Number 3. Men need pelvic floor care too, especially after prostate surgery or with incontinence. Number 4. Children can suffer from pelvic floor issues. These are often linked to constipation or bedwetting. Number 5. Weak or tight pelvic muscles affect bladder or bowel control in all genders. So men and children, don't be shy. It's okay to talk about pelvic health. Here are some of the top questions people ask us. What causes urinary incontinence? Well, there are several types of urinary incontinence, and each has its own cause. Number 6. Stress incontinence, which is leaking when coughing, sneezing, laughing, or during exercise, affects men post-prostate surgery too. That's right, gentlemen. It's not just a female problem. Number 7. Urge incontinence. A sudden strong need to pee followed by leakage is common in aging men and women. This urge can be so strong that it's hard to hold on. Imagine having to go like right now. Number 8. Overactive bladder, OAB, isn't gender specific. Men get it too. With OAB, you might find yourself running to the toilet frequently and sometimes with an unexpected urge. Number 9. Chronic constipation weakens pelvic muscles through bearing down, leading to leakage even in kids. And here are some additional factors that can play a role. Number 10. Neurological conditions like Parkinson's disease can cause problems with bladder control in anyone. Now let's dive into what you can do about it. Don't worry, we've got some great tips coming up. But first, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more health insights. What should I do about urinary incontinence? If you're experiencing any form of urinary incontinence, don't despair. There are things you can do. Number 11. Kegels aren't just for women. Men can benefit from pelvic floor exercises too. Now before you start doing sit-ups, number 12. Remember, core stability is pelvic health. Weak ABS contribute to incontinence. That's right, a strong core makes a world of difference. Number 13. Poor posture strains pelvic muscles. Slouching puts pressure on the bladder. Stand tall, sit upright. It's not just about back pain anymore. Number 14. Heavy lifting without proper core engagement harms pelvic floors. Yes, gentlemen, this one's for you too. Don't let those heavy boxes win. Number 15. Deep breathing exercises can help relax an overactive pelvic floor. It's like a mini massage for your pelvic muscles. For men facing urinary incontinence, we understand this can be a sensitive issue. You're not alone. Many men go through this, particularly after prostate surgery or dealing with incontinence. Number 16. Prostate surgery often leads to temporary incontinence. PFPT can help men recover faster and better. And number 17. Erectile dysfunction, ED, can sometimes be linked to pelvic floor tension. A good night's sleep and relaxation can work wonders for your pelvic floor. Number 18. Cycling long distances without breaks can compress pelvic nerves. Gentlemen, consider standing up every now and then when you're in the saddle for a long time. When it comes to children's pelvic health, it's equally important but often overlooked. Number 19. Bedwetting, also known as nocturnal enuresis, is often tied to constipation. Regular bowel movements can help reduce bedwetting incidence. Number 20. Holding pee for too long can weaken bladder signals, making it harder to know when you need to go. Encourage your kids to go to the bathroom regularly. Don't let them hold it for hours. Number 21. Make sure they go to the bathroom at regular intervals, especially after waking up in the morning or after playing. Remember, your support can make a huge difference. By spreading awareness, you're helping break the silence around these important issues. Let's look at some lifestyle fixes that can help everyone regardless of age or gender. Number 22. Hydration matters. Not drinking enough water can make your urine more concentrated, which can irritate the bladder and increase the chances of leakage. But don't overdo it either. Overhydration can cause frequent urination, making it tough to hold it. Find that sweet spot, quench your thirst, and keep your bladder happy. Number 23. Watch your caffeine and alcohol intake. Caffeine and alcohol can worsen urgency, making it harder to hold your pee. If you're leaking, consider cutting back. Number 24. Fiber-rich diets help prevent constipation, which puts less strain on your pelvic floor. Constipation can be a silent problem, but it's crucial to address it. Number 25. Weight management is essential. Excess weight puts added pressure on your abdominal muscles, including your pelvic floor. Maintaining a healthy weight can make a significant difference. If you're finding this information helpful, please give this video a like and share it with someone who might need it. Your support means a lot. Let's talk about when you should seek help. Number 26. Consider pelvic floor physical therapy (PFPT). It's beneficial for men, women, and children. PFPT helps identify the root of the problem and provides personalized solutions through targeted exercises and manual therapy techniques. Number 27. Biofeedback training can teach you how to control your pelvic floor muscles. This is excellent for kids with bedwetting. Imagine your body's getting real-time feedback, and you can adjust right away. Number 28. Don't ignore leakage. It's not normal, period. No matter your age, if you're leaking, there's something going on. Number 29. For men, post-prostate surgery rehab can help restore bladder control faster. This specialized care is designed to get you back on track. Number 30. Early intervention is key. Addressing pelvic issues sooner rather than later prevents them from getting worse. As we wrap up, remember, pelvic floor health is for everybody, whether you're a man, woman, or child. If you have a pelvis, you can benefit from smart training and care. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more health insights. Share this with someone who might need it. And don't forget to join our community for ongoing support and information. Together, we can make a difference.